Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your email address on Cash App in just a few easy steps. So whether you have switched emails or just want to update your contact info for better security, it's super simple to do. First, open your Cash App, tap on your profile icon at the top right, then scroll down and tap on Personal. Here you will see your linked phone number and email address. To change your email, tap on the current email, then select Remove Email. Once that's removed, you will have the option to add a new email. Type in your new email address and make sure it's one you have access to. Cash App will send you a verification code. Just enter that code to confirm the update. And that's it. Your new email is now linked to your Cash App account. Make sure to keep it updated so you don't miss any important alerts, especially for login codes or security notifications. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.